Oh, welcome to Drive. Today we're gonna be looking at the VID test paper 7A. Now we're gonna be going down through each and every question, discussing the answers with you, and I would like you to know that I've already done the paper 8B, and I'll leave a link to that video in the description down below. You can go and have a look at it. Have a look at that video. Now I understand if you may want the question paper, you can go. I'll also leave a link in the description down below so that you can go and download it for yourself. And I also leave a link for the paper 8B so that you can go and download it for yourself. Now if you like this content, please subscribe to it and turn on that notification icon so that you may be notified each time I make an upload. Now thank you so much for watching. Now let's go through each and every question together. Now number 1 says, how many passengers is a motorcycle allowed to carry? A motorcycle is not allowed to carry more than 1 passenger. You should know that. Motorcycle should only carry 1 passenger. So our correct answer for this one is what? Is C. Number 2, what do you do when you see an aeroplane in your view mirror? When you see an aeroplane in your view mirror, what do you do? Now let's look at our answers. A, stop. B, reduce speed. C, adjust your rear view mirrors. So you adjust your rear view mirrors. Obviously they are incorrectly positioned when you are able to see an aeroplane while you are driving. It's not okay. So number 3, add a stop sign. I should add a stop sign. Let's look at our answers. A, reduce speed. B, stop. C, slow down. Add a stop sign, you stop. So the correct answer for number 3 is what? Is B. Now number 4, the correct sequence of a robot is. Now in the video that I did on paper 8B, I explained the how to distinguish between a correct sequence and a sequence of a robot. You can go and watch that. Also, I'll leave a link to that video in the description below, paper 8B, so that you can go and actually understand. But just to sum up what I said, the correct sequence of a robot, you find it when you what? The way to remember it, you use this mnemonic GAR or GAR. GAR. G for green, A for what? Amber, red for R for red. Now when you just see correct sequence of a robot, you are looking for what? For GAR. Now let's look at our answers. A said G, green, red, amber. That's GRA. That's not correct. B, GAR. That's GAR, right? So B is correct. C, R, no, it's not correct because it's starting with what? It's R. So the correct answer for B, for number 4 is what? B. Number 5, a church up ahead sign is in which class? Now let's look at our answers. Danger warning sign, no, that's not correct. There's no way you can be warned of a church ahead. That we are warning you that there's a church ahead. No, that's not correct, right? That can't be correct. B, any informative, yes, we are informing you of a church ahead, which is true. Regulator, no. So the correct answer for number 5 is what? Is B. Number 6, when driving in a slippery road, you should. In a slippery road, what do you do? A, slow down. B, stop. C, reduce speed and exercise caution. Now when you're driving in a slippery road, what you should do is reduce speed and exercise caution. So number 6 is what? Is C. The answer is C. Now number 7, add a stop sign. I must. Add a stop sign. Let's look at our answers. A, give way to traffic from my left. B, give way to traffic from my right. C, stop and give way to traffic from both sides. So add a stop sign, you stop. So the correct answer for number 7 is what? It's probably C. Now number 8, when traveling at 75 kilometers, I must leave a gap between my vehicle and the car in front of me. Option A, 7 vehicle from. Option B, a 6 vehicle length. Option C, 5 vehicle length. So the way to calculate how many vehicles is the length of vehicles that you need to leave behind you and the car that is in front of you when you are traveling at 75 kilometers per hour is this. So you need to understand that for every 75 kilometers per hour, you leave a gap of 1 car. That's what that is what the rule says. So what you need to do is you just need to say 75 kilometers divided by what? By 15 kilometers. You see how many cars that is. 75 into what? A 15 into 75, that's 5, right? Yes, that's 5. Yes. So our answer right there is what? Is C, 5 length vehicle. So when you're traveling at 75 kilometers, you leave a length of 5 vehicles. Now number 9, this sign is a, now let's look at the sign. So this sign is a what? A rail level crossing, right? So let's look at our answers. A, traffic light signal. B, danger warning sign. C, informative sign. So no, actually this sign is a what? Is A, traffic light signal. Yes, the sign is a traffic light signal. Now number 10, when approaching this sign, I would. So this is the sign. So this sign is what is telling you of a physical barrier in the road. So you probably expect to be slowed down and to be stopped, probably by the police or who may be, or the authorities in the road. So the correct answer for number 10 is B, slow down and expect to be stopped. Number 11, at this sign I would. So this is what? A giveaway sign, right? So what are our answers saying? Number A, stop and give way to crossing traffic. B, slow down. Probably they wanted to say slow down and proceed when the road is clear on traffic. C, stop and proceed when the road is clear on both sides. So on a giveaway sign, you slow down. So the correct answer here is what? Is B, slow down and proceed when the road is clear on traffic. So the correct answer now for number 11 is B. Number 12, which car moves last at the intersection? Now let's look at the diagram closely. Let's zoom into the diagram. Now the question here is what? Is asking us, oh I underline here, but it's fine. Okay, which car moves last at the intersection? Now let's look at our diagram. Now we have car A, car B, and car C. Using the what? The Zimbabwean road rules. Now we can see that car B is on the right of car A. So car B is the right of way to car A, and car C is on the right of car B. So car B gives the right of way to car C. So car C is probably going to be the first to move to the center of the intersection, right? Yes. Now what happens is that car A will take advantage because it is moving what? It is moving in the same direction. Traffic moving in the same what? In the same road. The what? Traffic. So another road rule says that A and C, they move at once. When A when C, because car C is the one that is what? That is moving first, right? So when C moves at the center, A will take advantage. So C and A, they move at the same time. Probably the car that was what? That moves last at this intersection is what? Is car B. So car B is the one that will move first. Because C and A, they move at the same time. Then car B is the one that will what? That will move last. How far from a corner are you forbidden to park a vehicle? Okay, so let's look at our answers. But I want you to pay close attention to the word forbidden here. It's very key in answering this question. So how far from a corner are you forbidden? Forbidden to park from a corner. We know that from a corner you should park 7.5 meters from a corner, right? 7.5, at least 7.5 from a corner. So when they say how How far from a corner are you forbidden? Probably that you have parked less than 7.5. So our correct answer here is to be what? Is to be A. You're allowed to park 7.5 and more from a corner, 7.5 meters or more from a corner, but you are forbidden to park at 7.7 meters. 10 meters, that's probably fine. That's within the normal range. Now number 14, to drive public service vehicle you must have reached the age of you've reached the age of 25. So we are done for this video. Thank you so much for watching. On the next video I'll take you through from 15 to 25.